Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to talk about freeing up space in your Gmail, Google Photos, or Google Drive. As you know, you get 15 gigs of free storage. You've got to pay beyond that, so maintaining wasted space can actually save you money. What we're going to do is we're going to load the storage management page. You can find this link in the video description, or it'll be something like one.google.com/storage/management. I'm going to swap to my personal account. It has a little more, it has less stuff, but more categories for you to look at. So as you can see, everything's split into categories. Deleted emails, of course, you could do that from Gmail. Same with spam, but it'll open it up. You can actually just click all the items. And once you do check so much as a single or all items, the trash can item appears right here. Check the box and permanently delete. Everything works exactly the same way. So let's go to, you have emails with large attachments, and of course pictures, typically under large files, larger photos and videos if necessary, and unsupported videos. So you just work your way down through 3, 6, 7 categories, see where your space is going. So let's go into large items. Once again, with nothing checked, you can check the box, the trash can appears, or we'll do it differently this time. Let's get rid of the top 4. So we'll just check those 4. Click delete, the trash can icon. Once again, check the box and permanently delete. And as long as I'm here, I'm going to clean everything out, even though I don't need to, just because, geez, that was real estate when I did my real estate test a couple years ago, so I don't use the account a lot. I've had my Gmail account since it was in beta, so I barely even get spam on it, really, all things considered. But there you go. So you can just review and free as needed, or click anywhere really you want, and go nuts until you get the space freed up that you need, if you can, of course. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to free up space in Gmail, Google Photos, and Google Drive. So once again, just check the video description for the link there, and we'll jump you right over there. Don't forget, of course, if you're not logged into your Google account when you go over there, you will need to log into your Google account first. There you have it. Thanks for watching. As always, see ya.